My cozy room. My bed is so comfy and soft. I have a very pretty bedspread on it. I also have sheets and a warm blanket on my bed. I love my 2 fluffy feather pillows. My pillows have pretty pillowcases. My dresser has a big mirror on it. On my dresser, there is a lamp. There are also picture frames with photos of my friends and family. Next to my bed, there is an alarm clock. It helps me wake up in the morning. I keep my clothes in the drawers of my dresser. The drawers are big and deep. My closet is very big. I can even walk inside it. I hang my clothes in my closet. All my shoes are lined up on the floor of my closet. On the top shelves, I keep my games. There is a soft rug on my floor. My window looks out to the backyard. At night, I turn off the lamp and get under the covers. I lay my head on my pillow and fall asleep.